radial nerve before we go to the medial side of the joint. The cutaneous sensory and the posterior interosseous nerve. I kind of mentioned that, I think, when I was showing you the relative to the interfaces here, the supinator muscle and the two bellies. So here we're going to go back into the antecubital fossa. Remember, in the anterior pyramid, I said that the radial nerve is that very bright, unmistakable starry night presentation of the nerve on the lateral side of the pyramid. So here we have it, a little bit closer view of those two circles within the anterior pyramid. This is brachialis. This is the distal humerus. There's brachioradialis muscle. In between the two muscles is the radial nerve. But here you can see the two dark ovoid structures within the substance of the nerve, where the nerve at that level within the pyramid is already beginning to split. So as we begin to, if you want to trace the radial nerve to follow where that nerve splits or divides, what we have to do with the probe is translate the probe and go slightly lateral to watch this nerve split. So from the crease of the antecubital fossa, we simply take the probe distal across the joint and slightly lateral. I'm exaggerating on myself, but it's distal across the joint, slightly lateral. And as you do that, you can watch these two dark cross-sectional areas of the nerve begin to split or move away from one another. You can actually, if you want to try and just, focus on it a bit, you can move the probe proximal and distal and put the nerve together and take it apart. Put the nerve together and take it apart and watch it go from one solitary nerve to two separate ones, and that makes it easier to trace.